How to change WhatsApp call ringtone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change WhatsApp call ringtone on Android phone. First go to settings and then click apps and then apps again, and here just scroll down until you find WhatsApp and click on it, and here click notifications and click call notifications, and as you see you can change any type of notifications here, and then now just click call notifications and now notification sound, and then click music on device, or you can just select classic ringtone here, or you can take it from your device. Click here and select it, and that's it for today's video. Now just go back and it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.